The traditional packaging equipment manufacturing model has drawbacks such as low efficiency, long cycle, and unstable quality. Therefore, ELEMOTION Technology independently developed an intelligent packaging equipment production line, which was officially put into operation in September 2023. The production line of ELEMOTION Intelligent Equipment adopts track operation, which achieves standardized assembly through 6 processes of equipment assembly, quality inspection, and operation debugging. By scientifically managing the production process, intelligent equipment production can be achieved by ensuring equipment quality, improving production efficiency, shortening equipment delivery time, emphasizing safety production, optimizing production cycles, and improving production processes, providing customers with more stable equipment and shorter product delivery times. Through the production assembly line of ELEMOTION equipment, we have solved the problems of traditional mechanical assembly management, such as extensive management, chaotic processes, unstable personnel, unstable equipment quality, and inability to meet customer needs. Thus achieving production standardization, and refinement, it ensures that each step of the operation complies with industrial and technical requirements, improves product quality, integrates multiple step operations into one production line, simplifies complex processes, and replicates simple work. It improves production efficiency and reduces operator requirements. By fixing assembly personnel, the impact of human factors on product quality is avoided. Achieving large-scale mass production, introduce a digital information management model to customize exclusive food packaging solutions for different customers. Modular production methods are more conducive to equipment after-sales maintenance and replacement. ELEMOTION is a pioneer in intelligent production of pouch packaging machines. We focus on developing future intelligent factories, improving industrial information interconnection, and providing customers with efficient and high-quality products and services.